Hey guys, Spartan here for the daily recap, August 9th, 2022. What did we do today? So pretty choppy day. We knew that coming into the day just because we have CPI data coming tomorrow, so we figured the bigger guys, bigger institutions, I should say, would be positioning for tomorrow or basically keeping the market in a range, in a trading range, pretty tight trading range. And that's certainly what they did do. A couple things that we did today. So we didn't do anything with the SPY. We knew that would be choppy in itself. So we are pretty much going after individual situations. On the equity side, we did a little bit of Tesla out the gate on that quick little pop, and we traded these little curls off of EMA supports into resistance levels. That ended up working pretty well for about 9 points total. We did this phase long, which ended up getting in this thing down here, this 1494 on this pullback. Actually, we grabbed it on the pop up, and then it pulled back. Actually, we grabbed it like around here on like 14.99, this little pop. And then when it started to curl and flag out, we added into the position. We rode it up all day. We ended up getting about, what was it, 7 points on this one? No, 6 points on it total. So pretty good. Got a piece overnight on it, about 1/10, and we'll see where that goes. We took this AERC long pretty early on, around the 472 level, added into it around 490. And, we rode it all the way up to $7, ended up exiting that before the end of the day. We saw that, MTC, we popped and KSPN popped. And I told the guys in the room, I said, these are probably pumps. I don't typically like to go after the third or fourth sympathy plays. They typically fade off, and that's exactly what happened there. So I think, demonstrating that no trade is a great trade is, case in point in this example. UPST. We had this long out the gate for about 4 points total. That was a nice little trade there. LMD for 1 point. And then our one of our mods, Citrini, had this SIRC long the last couple days, and he got 100% on this trade. And, just got to give him props on that. Fantastic. Some other things that we did on the equity side that didn't work today. We tried some coin. We ended up exiting this one flat when the market started to bounce. We took some coin puts, I should say. We tried to build an MEGL. We took this at $35, and we had about 1/10 size. Never got to add into it. It stopped us out at like around $30, and we didn't try it again at the end of the day there. Might be something to watch for tomorrow on some short covering or a little bit of a bounce, just because you got these low foot runners, and this has a crap load of range. I mean, what's this thing to move 10, 15 points? Nothing at this moment to the upside. But obviously, sold off all day, so that was a little bit of a loss there. But again, we were only 1/10 size. We never got big on it at all and never added into it. And other than that, we tried some mRNA long, and this one ended up not working as well this morning. Other than that, though, solid on the equity side today. On the option side, LMD, we took this long out the gate. The 30 calls, 229%. UPST, we actually rolled some of our equity into 35 calls, and we got 143% on that. AMD, middle of the day, we took some 90 puts, got a nice little dip on that for 100%. Space this morning, we had a lot of these small stocks popping, basically in the theme of last day, but none of them got fall through today. But we took the 7 calls for 79%. We took the laser 9 calls for 76%. And we had CVS today. Notice there's relative strength on the basically healthcare and HMO type names, and we took that for about, looks like 76%. So not bad, nothing too crazy in that regard, but couple decent options trades today. Some other ones that we did as well. We had let's see, there's a couple of smaller trades that we did. McDonald's for about 40%. Triple M, that one didn't work. We ended up taking that one off. We swung a little bit of SPY calls overnight. Tesla roll, that ended up not working, but it was a roll, so it's free. NVAX for about 40% to the upside. And that's really it. Walmart, we had the 130 calls this morning. We ended up getting out of that for about a 4-cent gain at the end of the day on that little push. So, sweet. We got a nice little push into the other day to exit, but it wasn't really it was basically a nothing trade. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go to spartantrading.com. Tomorrow should be a busy one with the CPI data coming out. Be looking for more low float stuff to kick in, and there should be some decent opportunities on that front. Other than that, though, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one. You go to spartantrading.com. You can sign up there. Streaming from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. every single day, unless there's some earnings that we want to play. We'll keep it open. Entries, exits, options, and equity, ads, targets, stops, all that stuff's put in chat so that you are, you have full guidance in regards to what we're doing and what's going on. And of course, we're on live stream, talking about it as well. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Free Discord link in the bio as well. And we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.